This video will show you how to import the UNICOM rubrics into your Blackboard course. So the first step will be to come to TechLink, and then in this search bar, all you have to type in is CTL, Center for Teaching and Learning. You'll click the CTL SharePoint homepage, and then over in the left-hand menu, you'll see a tab that says Resources. Inside of Resources, you'll see UNICOM rubrics and videos. And now here's where you will find the Blackboard rubric export files. These are zip files. So please pay attention to this next step because it's very important. Don't click the actual name because it'll open up the disaggregated zip data. And we don't want that. We want you to bring over the entire file. So you'll notice these little circles that show up on the left-hand side of the file when you mouse over it. So pick the UNICOM file you want. So in this case, I would like the critical thinking file. I select it in the little circle, and then I click download. And it will download this entire zip package to my downloads folder on my computer hard drive. Once you've done that, go to your Blackboard course where you need to import the rubric to. Scroll down to your course management panel and click Course Tools. And then under Course Tools, you will select Rubrics. You're going to come up here to the top where it says Import a Rubric. You want to browse local files. And then within your Downloads folder on your hard drive, you should see the rubric export file for critical thinking. You're going to open and then click Submit. Click OK once you get the read report. And then you should see that your UNICOM rubric has appeared within your wider rubric list.